thinking about the distance between us. All those nights we spent doing nothing. We swore to each other this would be different. Oh, the only thing I got you left behind. Baby, the one thing I hold on to, yeah, I'm just saving.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is my first video on YouTube. My name is Kristina, and today I will make a tutorial about scribble drawing, which is a simple technique that I found out last week maybe. Never mind. Why do I like this technique? Because this technique is a very easy, very quick drawing, I think, and also cool. So I hope you enjoyed my video. See you. In this tutorial you need paper, pen, pencil, and also eraser. First, sketch the object that you want to make using a pencil, starting from the shape of the face, hair, neck, eyebrows, eyes. If you feel the sketch that you made is wrong, you can delete it using an eraser. And then nose, and lips. Second, if you feel that the sketch that you made is good, you can proceed to the next step, which is to start to thicken your sketch using the scribble technique with a pen. In this video, I will draw a woman's face. Oh yeah, in this scribble technique, you must pay attention to the darkness of an object. If part of a dark object, then you have to thicken it again until it looks darker. In this technique, you can fan your expression through scribble that is messy but still looks beautiful. And now we are done. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe this channel. See you!